So a lot of people struggle with flat, lifeless hair, and make no mistake about it, guys, I used to be one of those people. Back in 2022, I grew out my hair and it was lifeless and flat even after I styled it. I didn't pay much attention to key tricks, nor did I use the best products either. So I'm not going to let you guys go through the same thing. I'm going to give you one key trick that's going to help elevate your hair game instantly. Now, the trick that we're going to be using is called the upside down trick. Now, don't get mistaken here, guys. It's got nothing to do with acrobatics, nothing to do with you hanging upside down, no Spider-Man antics here, but it's just a key trick that's definitely going to help you change your game. It's simply just blow drying your hair upside down. So when you blow dry your hair upside down, essentially what that does, guys, it lifts the roots away from the scalp, and that's what helps create volume. So essentially you're working against gravity, which is trying to pull your hair down, causing it to be flat. And back when I grew my hair out, guys, because I wasn't seeing those results, because I wasn't getting that volume, I just decided to cut my hair shorter. And now what I've done is I've grown my hair out again, and I've managed with this key trick to get some volume in there. So simple tools that we are going to need, guys, include your hair dryer, a round brush, your pre-styler, and your go-to product, whether it be paste, clay, pomade, or wax. Okay, guys, so we're going to hop in and put this trick to the test. So I'm just going to start off with my damp hair. I'm going to apply some pre-styler. I'm using the Slick Gorilla Sea Salt Spray. I love these Slick Gorilla products. They really do work well for my hair, especially if you've got fine hair. So I'm going to go ahead and apply that first. So as usual, guys, just slicking back the hair, using the techniques that I've taught you in my previous videos. If you haven't seen them yet, please do check them out. So as you can see, I'm using the round brush just to create some shape into my hair, create some volume as well. But you'll see, guys, that there's not much volume as I'm brushing my hair back. So what we are going to do, guys, we're going to apply that trick, tilt your head back, go up against gravity, keep it medium heat, fast speed, move the hair dryer around and use your fingers to help create that volume. So keep pushing back that hair. And what you can also do is you can use a round brush if you want, but for the time being I'm just going to keep using my hands. But keep working it around, guys. Don't keep it in one place because we want to get the volume in our hair all around. Then what I want you to do, guys, is just before you tilt your head back up again, I want you to blast it with some cold air. And what that will do, guys, it will allow the volume to stay in place. So by the time you tilt your head back up, you've still got that volume. So you'll see that now. So instantly, guys, as soon as I've tilted my head up, you can see that I've got the volume in my hair. That's helped create the perfect shape. Now you can go ahead and apply your finishing product. So I'm going to be using the Slick Gorilla Lightwork. So you'll see now I have the perfect foundation. I'll just go ahead and apply the product through my hair, and you can see how much volume instantaneously I've got in my hair, and it looks fantastic. And there you go, guys. That's just one simple trick that you can put into your routine just to help elevate your hair game. If you do enjoy tips and tricks to elevate your hair game, then check out my previous video, how to hide your middle part line. Equally, it's just as useful. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Until next time, take care.